Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi diucapkan kepada seluruh penggemar Putri Ariani. Kali ini kita akan menyaksikan reaksi dari seorang reaktor saat pertama kali menyaksikan Putri Ariani. Dia langsung terkagum setelah beberapa detik video diputar. Bagaimana reaksinya? Ini pasti menarik. Mari kita saksikan.
Game changers, we are back. Another reaction. We are getting into somebody completely new. Putri Ariani, I believe I said her name right. It says she stuns the crowd with "Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me." I'm excited to get into this. Without further ado, here we go. Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me live in the finals. Let's get it. Uh-oh, here we go.
I can't lie, no more of your darkness.
Her voice is clear and pure, man.
All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired, and time stands still before me.
Come on.
Close the door and left me blinded by the light.
Ah, come on, that note right there, man. She killed it. She killed it, man. The passion, I love it. Let's hear it one more time. We gotta go back a little bit further. Here we go. I love that part too, right there.
Close the door and left me blinded by the light.
Ah, right there. Come on.
Don't let the sun go down on me, yeah. Don't let the sun. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. Yeah.
Ah, those notes that she hits.
Iya. Suara khas Putri Ariani.
It's like the sun going down, sun going down, sun going down. I need sun.
Ah, come on. She's hitting every note, guys. And listen, when you bring the whole choir, the whole ensemble in, you know it's game over. It's game over.
I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. My losing everything is like the sun going down on me.
She killed it, man. She killed it.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Standing up from Simon Cowell. Look out. Everybody.
Simon, your golden buzzer.
Oh, wow. Hold up. That was Simon's golden buzzer. That's crazy, man. Give me the background story on Putri as well.
It's got nothing to do actually with the fact that I gave her the golden buzzer. I think any one of us would have given Putri the golden buzzer. It's just that you are one of those rare little diamonds we come across every few years who is naturally born to do this, and you've overcome so much in your life to hopefully fulfill your dream on this show, and boy, after that, do you deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Well, every single time and every round you have hit it out of the park. Your voice, as I said last time, is perfection. Your talent is perfection.
We're gonna have to go back. We're gonna have to go back.
The question that I have, if this was, and I have no doubt in my mind, if this was just a singing competition, I think you just won it hands down. The fact is, there are other kinds of acts. You're competing against a lot of great people, so let's see how America chooses.
That was
Heidi.
It was such a moving performance. You could have not done it any better. You really, really did an amazing job. You sounded beautiful. Thank you so much.
Putri, you just performed on the finals. What is the message you have to give to the world?
I believe that we are able, we are capable, and we are equal. So don't be afraid to keep reaching your dream. Our dream will come true if we believe it.
I love it. I love it, man. Stories like that are incredible. Obviously, something has gone on in Putri's life. Let me know in the comments. This is my first time reacting to her. I'm going in blinded, so I want to hear more. You guys put it in the comments. For those of you that rock with my page, you know that I love dialoguing with you guys in the comments. So I'm excited to just get to know her a little bit more. Also to check out more of her videos. Again, the way to request her videos and to have her pop up a lot, go to the first pinned comment there. Request those videos through that link.
Ya, demikian tadi reaksi kita saksikan dari Kinti Cenger yang dia untuk pertama kalinya menyaksikan Putri Ariani, yaitu pada momen final AGT kemarin. Dan baru beberapa detik setelah video dimulai, dia telah menyatakan bahwa suara Putri Ariani benar-benar murni dan terdengar sangat indah. Kelanjutannya dia terlihat sangat mengagumi, dan secara keseluruhan di akhir video dia mengatakan bahwa dia akan mencari video Putri Ariani yang lain karena dia sangat tertarik dengan penampilan dari Putri Ariani. Ya, makin banyak aja reaktor-reaktor luar yang berdatangan menyaksikan penampilan Putri Ariani dan mengagumi bagaimana kemampuan olah vokal dari Putri Ariani. Dan kita selaku bangsa Indonesia tentu bangga menyaksikan hal tersebut. Semoga kedepannya karir Putri Ariani makin menanjak dan nama Putri Ariani semakin dikenal di mana-mana, yang tentu membawa nama baik Indonesia juga di sampingnya. Oke, demikian aja reaksi kita kali ini. Semoga kita selalu berada dalam lindungannya, dimurahkan rezeki dan dimudahkan segala urusan. Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Aduh, sakit geraman leh.